How to zoom in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how you can zoom in Capcut on PC and Mac, and the process is same for both, so let's dive in. First, import any video from your desktop and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. Now select the video and then go to this basic option over here, and here you can see there's the scale option. You can just drag this to the right side and it's going to zoom the video. And if you want to add the zoom, you can just click this diamond right next to the scale option. Once you add the first diamond, you have to just jump 5 seconds or 10 seconds ahead and add the second keyframe. This is a keyframe over here. And now you can just zoom your video by adjusting the scale over here. And now you have to jump 5 seconds ahead again, select the video and add another keyframe. And here you can see now, if I play the video, it's going to add the zoom over here. And that's how you zoom in Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.